Here we have a package just came in. Customer has, I believe this is like a 03 or 02 5 series. They gave us the immobilizer system that we need, program the key, and they said this is a door lock. So in a few minutes I'm gonna make a key to this door lock, and I'm gonna program chips for this and then ship it back. This came out of Michigan. So I'll come back shortly with this thing programmed and ready to go. Alright, we're back. Just finished making the key to the door lock. Not a problem. We just finished making 2 chips. These chips are programmed into the box. So basically, when you plug everything back up, I'll put the key inside this key. I'll put the chip inside this key. Everything will be ready, and that's about it. If you have any questions, give us a call. You need to send us your modules to program the cars. Like for this car, I'm gonna need the box, which is usually under the dash, and I'm gonna need one of the door locks to make a key from scratch and then pre-program it. So you have any questions, give us a call or go to our website, www.ACM Locksmith Group. Again, this is like a 5 series. We can also do Range Rovers. Here go Volvo right here. So I'm doing Volvos, Range Rovers, BMWs, depends on what it is, but just give us a call or go to the website, www.acm Locksmith Group. Thanks. Keep in mind, we are in the Georgia area, so if you're outside of Georgia, you're going to have to call us and ship it to us. Thank you.